Hi, today in front of me HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first, just launch the Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Just to log out from Gmail application, we should first log out from Google account on our device. Just to do that, click to manage accounts on this device, tap the Google section, and to remove the Google account, click the remove button and confirm your action. Now in Google account settings, we successfully log out from Gmail account, so let's go back to the application, and now we can see also that in app we just successfully log out from Gmail application. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.